Looking for a way to make your home feel brighter, softer, and more elegant without heavy fabrics or bulky drapes? It's time to discover chiffon curtains, a modern, minimal, and stylish choice from Blackout Curtain. At Blackout Curtain, our chiffon curtains are designed for homes that crave light, air, and elegance. 1. Lightweight and stylish. Let us start with what makes chiffon special. Our curtains are lightweight and sheer, bringing a sense of softness to any room. They offer just the right amount of privacy while letting natural light pour in. 2. Modern flow. Love a minimal and modern vibe? Our chiffon curtains add a graceful flow and subtle texture, perfect for today's interiors, especially if you're into soft, airy aesthetics. 3. Sheer layers. Want to layer up your windows? Chiffon is ideal for that. Use it on its own or layer it with Blackout curtains for a versatile, stylish combo. User clicking through website or mobile to order curtains. And the best part, ordering is easy. Pick your design, enter your size, and schedule your delivery all online, in just a few clicks. Expert installation. Worried about hanging them just right? Don't be. Our expert team provides free consultation, takes accurate on-site measurements, and installs your chiffon curtains with elegant folds and perfect fittings anywhere in Dubai or across the UAE. So if you're ready to give your home that light, breezy, and modern upgrade, choose chiffon curtains from Blackout Curtain.